So let's begin the webinar. Good morning to all participants, ladies and gentlemen. I am Urvesh Vala. I am a webinar coordinator. With me, Mr. Nitin Pankaj. We jointly coordinating this event. I am happy and my privilege to just brief about the event. This is a national webinar on challenges and strategies for students to get jobs in the phase of COVID-19. This program is specially announced for undergraduate students, diploma students, graduate and postgraduate students.
Okay. It's given a great pleasure to extend. Hello, I am audible.
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay. It's given a great pleasure to extend you all very warm welcome on behalf of the Indian Institute of Metal, Baroda chapter and Yuva Koshal Bharat Foundation, who are jointly organizing today's event, national webinar on strategy and challenges for students to get job in the face of COVID-19. I am heartily welcome today's speaker, our invited guest, Mr. Pankaj Rudhaiya. He is the founder and CEO of 51K Growth Job. He is going to deliver the talk on challenges and strategy for students to get job in the face of COVID-19. I wish to take this opportunity to welcome all the participants who have been joined here from different states, 20 states and 89 cities of India. It's give great pleasure to have with us. Our organization jointly think that this is time that looking come forward to encourage students who are being study in the final year of various stream of science, technology, commerce, arts, diploma, to try to enlighten them and aware about what are the challenges going to be there and how to make the strategies for this today's phase of COVID-19. So now I am conclude my speech. Thank you very much. Now I am invite Mr. Pankaj Rudhaiya, the founder of CEO 51K Growth Hub, to kindly deliver his expert talk.
About we are into training and development of all the levels of corporates. As far as the training programs are concerned, we conduct 4 kinds of training program, and the sectors, as far as sectors are concerned, we help manufacturing, automobiles, exports, real estate, online portals, health. Friends, today's topic is challenges and strategies for students to get jobs in the phase of COVID-19. Right now, as a student, you want to grow in your life, you have ambition to get job or business, either of the two things you want to do. But when you complete your education after the college, your life as a student is different till now, and the entire world outside of the main gate of the college is completely different. It's a practical world. So there is a lot of mismatch, and because of that, many students has to struggle a lot initially to get the job. Even after getting the job, we have seen people are being sacked from the job in a very short time. They might perform very well in the interview. They might, dress up very nicely. They can speak a wonderful English language or Hindi language. In the interview, they can pass. But when it comes to matter of performance, there they fail. So, दोस्तों, हमें fail performance में नहीं होना है. That is the main agenda of this particular webinar. And the third, what research says. There are many research which has taken place globally and which very clearly gives us a picture that there is a lot of room for people to get acquired for before they get acquired for industry. They become suitable for the industry, and then they go for the job. So these 3 phenomena we'll talk today one by one. There are many suppliers for every services. When the competition rise, prices go down. Okay, so as a company needs people in its team who become strength and not weakness. Now we see problems every manager and businesses faces continuously from employees. I want you to focus on the words which are bold, okay, and underlined. These words are the skill set that a company wants from the applicant. You might be number 1 into a college, but do you have these skills right now into you? why a company should give you job? If you don't have this kind of professional skill set, it might be possible you will get job, but later you might face problem, and it might be possible you can't get the job. Now you must be wondering that why there is a gap. What are the reasons of gap between company expectation and students' capability? What are the reasons? Let's find those results. The first reason is, continuous change in the market. The market is continuously changing. You see, when Jio came before a couple of years, the other companies had a problem operating. So it is a big shift in the market. So their operating standards, their performance, everything changes in a different way. When superstores came, many local provision store, many local department store, they had to change their operating style. So external market is continuously changing. So I want to ask you a question now. Okay, I want to ask you a question now. You have to reply in the chat. What is the correct answer? A or B? Okay. What answer you will write for a question asked in the exam? My question to you is, what answer you will write for a question asked in the exam? Option number 1, the answer that you like, or option number B, the expected answer. The correct answer is B, my dear friends. We have to write the expected answer to pass the examinations. It's but obvious, otherwise we'll not pass the exam. Similarly, to get and grow in the job or business, we need to transform ourselves as per the expectation of the industry. Aggression is a part of the economy. The career for a particular potential candidate is always bright in the industry. As I said you, if you want to become the muscle of the company, your career will grow. Industry wants people who are stronger in skills, who can bring result to them. Today,
Yeah, next question is it's from the first year student. How to get technical knowledge for first year student, and how to get internship?
how to get technical knowledge? See, as part of the entire 51K professional development program, we are teaching them how to become proficient into the and particularly knowledge part. So that we will tell them, but what they should do, I tell you very broadly here, that for example, I am a student of a chemical engineering, right? So from first year of my study, what should I do? I should subscribe to all the newsletter of the chemical world. I should be knowing how many associations are there in the chemical industry, what they do, what kind of seminars they do. This kind of extrovert behavior will help them, to grow their knowledge.
Thank you, Pankaj bhai. It's a really very nice question answer round, and I believe everybody enjoy like me, and it's really good for us to hear you from you, sir, that this is really helpful to many young generations as well as those who are already in the job. Thank you very much for your inspiring lectures and subsequent technical and techno-commercial answers for many students and technocrats.
I also thank you. I also thank deep-heartedly the Indian Institute of Management Baroda chapter, Dr. Sunil Kahar, Dr. Mr. Urvesh Wala, both of you for a great support, and your foundation. And it was really a true honor also for me to have to be into this session.